Hi, my name is Alice Bowmaker, and thanks for joining me for this daily release and stretch. Bring yourself to a hands and knees tabletop position. Spread the fingers and thumbs wide. Inhale, lift head and tailbone. Exhale, drop head and tailbone. So breathing in and out through the nose here. Moving through cat and cow. And feeling that stretch of your body in either direction. Scooping belly button in as you drop head and tailbone, and drawing shoulders back as you lift head and tailbone. Bringing your awareness into your body, come to a straight spine and thread your left arm across and down to the floor. Roll onto your left shoulder, taking that right shoulder towards the ceiling or sky. And take a gentle breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Feeling the stretch in the shoulders and the back. Inhale to tabletop and thread right arm across, down to the floor, and start to roll the weight onto the right shoulder, taking that left shoulder towards the ceiling or sky. And again, start to breathe gently through the nose and out through the nose. Back, releasing, shoulder stretching. Inhale to tabletop. Step left foot to the outside of the left hand into a low lunge. And start to rock the hips backwards and forwards. Inhaling back, exhaling forwards. Feeling the stretch in your left hamstring and your right hip flexor. Inhale, left hand towards the ceiling and breathe gently. Take your left hand down, step to tabletop. Step the right foot forwards to the outside of the hand and inhale hips backwards, exhale forwards. Feeling the stretch in the right hamstring and the left hip flexor. Inhale, right hand up, twist the spine. Take a breath in and out. Take right hand down, step to tabletop and come to a seated position where you can roll down onto your back. We are going to release the back now. Hug your knees into your chest and take a gentle rock of the knees from side to side. Back of the neck long, chin tucks in. Breathing gently in, gently out. Feeling your body. Bring your feet to the floor. Spread your toes wide, maybe lifting toes off the floor but balls of the feet staying down. And start to roll gently up into a bridge. Lifting hips and then rolling down through the spine, vertebrae by vertebrae. Inhale, exhale, roll up into your bridge. One vertebrae at a time, lifting off the floor. And roll down, getting your lower back to touch the floor before your bum. Breathe into the belly and roll up. Keep the hips lifted, reach the arms overhead and out to the side along the floor. Really squeezing those glutes. Let's inhale, arms up, floating through the air. Exhaling them, widening the chest. Inhale. Exhale through the nose and roll down through the spine, getting your lower back to touch the floor before your bum. And cross right ankle over left knee. Maybe just pushing that right knee away from you, or interlacing hands behind the left thigh to deepen the stretch. Holding here, take a gentle rock side to side. Breathing down into your belly. And Place left foot on the floor and right foot. Cross left ankle over right knee. Push left knee away from you. Or interlace hands around the back of the right thigh and start to take a gentle rock side to side, stretching into our glutes and hips here. Take a breath down into your belly and out. Back of the neck long, chin tucks in. And place feet back on the floor. Take right knee up towards the ceiling or right leg and start to circle the ankle, hands interlaced behind the right thigh. Inhale, bend that knee into the chest. Exhale, point and stretch. Inhale to flex and bend. Exhale, point that right foot. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten and stretch. And place right foot to the floor. Inhale, left leg up, circling the ankle. Inhale, bend left knee in. Exhale, straighten and point. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, straighten, deepen that stretch. And take left foot to the floor. Gently rock the knees and the head from side to side, releasing through the neck and through the hips. Breathing gently through the nose. Roll to one side and come up to a tabletop position. Walk the hands forwards, puppy dog pose. Bum stays over the knees, fingers, arms stretch forwards. Feeling the stretch through the upper back and top of the shoulders. Gently breathe here, relaxing your jaw, relaxing top of the shoulders. Walk hands back underneath the shoulders and tuck those toes under. So we're stretching through the base of the feet now. Keep the hands where they are if that gives you more support. Or if you'd like a little bit more today, walk the hands under yourself and come to your seated kneeling position. Tuck those little toes under and deepen that chest stretch. Interlace the fingers behind the back. For more, overlap the thumbs, press the palms together and squeeze those shoulder blades together. But wherever you are, take a gentle breath in and out through the nose. And another gentle breath in and out. Release the hands, come to tabletop and up into downward dog. Keep the knees bent to start off with, so you can focus on lengthening through that lower back and lifting the sit bones up. Spreading sit bones wide, take a breath in and out. In and out. Into the belly, out through the nose. And let both, or one heel at a time, press towards the floor. Releasing through those calves and ankles. Head heavy and long. Now see if you can press both heels down and spread those sit bones a little wider. And bring the knees to the floor, come to your child's pose. Bum moving back towards your heels at the same time as your fingertips reaching forwards towards the end of the mat. See if you can creep those fingers a little further along the mat to find that deep stretch down the sides of the body and through the armpits. And gently breathe into your belly, relaxing the pelvic floor. Eyes focus towards the third eye. Feel the sensations of your body. Feel the sensations of your breath. And slowly come back up. Come to a cross-legged seated position. Rest the hands on the knees, close the eyes. With the eyes closed, focus towards the tip of the nose. You're cross-eyed with the eyes. And now at the same time, Notice the sensation of the air as it comes in through the nostrils and out through the nostrils. Eyes at the tip of the nose, feeling the sensation of the air flowing in and out through the nose. Allow the mind to clear as you just focus on this sensation in the present moment. Bring the palms together at the heart center. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you soon.